Welcome to the Sint-Catherine district, the vibrant heart of Brussels. Here you'll find trendy bars, top-notch seafood restaurants, and lively squares that blend historical charm with modern spirit. Hi, I'm Axel Vanedonk, CTO at Bao Living, and join me as we uncover the exciting innovations and milestones of our largest SAM project to date, right here in the center of the capital. For this project, we joined forces with E.ON Residential Platform to undertake the most ambitious project yet. This unique building accommodates a wide range of home designs, requiring an impressive 6 different SAM layouts to suit the diverse typologies within. The result is yet another showcase of SAM's ability to optimize living spaces in a very broad amount of different studio layouts. Beyond overseeing the aesthetics of the spaces, we integrated a future-proof ventilation setup with heat recovery and efficient fan convectors into SAM's design, ensuring superior indoor air quality and energy efficiency. Each apartment features a user-friendly control panel for temperature, lighting, and real-time energy management. This all-inclusive approach promises a seamless, elegant living experience for future residents. With their double color schemes, split configurations, and distinct split-level designs, the 6 different dynamic SAM designs in all 36 spaces proudly showcase their innovative layouts and space-optimizing modules. Guaranteeing unparalleled comfort in every home, these SAMs demonstrate their versatility throughout the entire project. The kitchen designs for this project vary greatly in style. Some feature our standard wide kitchen design, elevated from the living room, while others are crafted in a U-shape positioned lower than the living room. Despite their unique configurations, each adaptation ensures an efficient workflow with all essential appliances easily accessible and seamless movement to the dining areas in every instance. SAM's bathrooms, all positioned near the entrance and kitchen, boast our signature layouts. The layouts of the apartments demanded varied bedroom configurations. In some flats, the double bedroom is positioned on the main floor, nestled at the end of the unit alongside ample SAM storage space and our media module. In others, we embraced the double height ceilings, creating a unique loft-style design with an elevated sleeping area. In a milestone achievement, we've integrated 36 SAMs into the renovation of an entire residential building in less than 4 months' time. This monumental project required us to innovate with 6 tailored configurations, again showcasing SAM's ability to enhance space efficiency and integrate circular utilities.